Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2001 Nissan PulsarQ sedan, stock reference number 4748. The shape runs from the 7th month 2000 through to the 7th month 2003. It has a QG 18DE 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. QG 18DE 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the right-hand corner light, right-hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with 14-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has one small dent, left-hand sill skirt, left rear 14-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. It's got a pretty tidy rear bumper cover for the age. A few scratches and scuffs here and there, but still usable. Left-hand boot lid garnish, boot lid appears to have no damage. Spoiler type. Right hand boot lid garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 14-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand side skirt, right rear door has a couple of small dents, right front door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 14-inch factory alloy mag with a flat tyre, and a right guard which has one small dent. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a dark grey vinyl center console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a pretty tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.